What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm your host, my name is Akash and you are watching me on SkyTech. If you are new in our family then subscribe my channel, like the video, hit the bell icon and let's start our new video after this small intro. So let's start our video. Firstly go to the new, then go to the part, then select all the planes and click on show. Firstly see our sketch. This is our sketch. So let me think where from I start. I make a decision that I am drawing from the width. So after the sketch, what is the depth of the object? So let me create calculations. 135 minus 75, so that is 60, and other side, both sides are same, so let's divide by 2, that's 30. Okay, so we have got the extruded length. Then go to the right plane and click on sketch. Firstly we start with a rectangle, so I choose the rectangle, center rectangle. Let's draw the center point and drag the mouse, click anywhere, and I'll give him a dimensions. Okay, so smart dimension, let me choose here as per sketch, that is 90, so 90, and the height is 10, so keep it as 10. Now exit sketch and we need to extrude our part, so go to the extrude features and go to the extrude and select the length as 30, extruded length, and click OK. Our object is extruded. You will again see the drawing. So we are selecting the side plane of our featured object and click on sketch. We will first draw the line to get our shape. So select the line and go to the bottom. We will start the drawing from bottom point. So I'll draw the line from the bottom point. Let get it dimension as 20. Again from that end point of the line we again draw the line, and this time I'll take the dimension as 50 as per drawing. Then again from the other side select the bottom point and again raise the line, click anywhere, and give the dimension as per drawing. I'll take it as 45. Now other side line is remaining, so let's choose the line command. Then we need to draw a arc over there, so we choose the arc, we choose the tangent arc. Another one is a circle at between that center points, so let me choose the circle and draw the circle and keep the dimension as 20 as per our drawing. Bottom line is remaining, draw the line. Okay, and then exit sketch. We need the extruded length, so we check it as, which is 75. Okay, so let's choose extrude base, extrude boss, then choose the length as 75 mm. Then click on OK. We need to draw the extrude surface similarly as per the left to the right. So let me choose the right surface and click on sketch. Then we can draw the same sketch onto the right of the objects, and then we using the convert entity, then exit sketch and then go to the extrude and choose the extrude length as 30. Now our next step is to draw slot to the central object. Let's choose the rectangle, center rectangle, choose the center point of the object, then draw the rectangle, then give it dimensions to him at 20, and the other line is of 55. Okay, then exit sketch and go to the extrude cut and select the extrude cut length through all. Now our next step is to create a plane for the rib. Go to the reference geometry and click on plane, then select the face on which you want to take a plane, and select the dimensions and flip the object, which means plane flip to the other side, then select the distance as 37 as per our drawing. Go to the drawing, what remains, okay, the 37, and then 6 cm thickness of the rib. So go to the plane and sketch. Firstly we draw the rib, so we need a reference point of the object, so we choose the reference point, we choose the line, and we just using the convert entity command, so just choose the line, then convert entity, then OK. We got the reference point on the plane 1, so just draw the line for the rib and point to the reference point or converted entity point. And then join the other two lines to get our rib. Then similarly at the another side, then choose the center line and let's draw the center line at the center of the object, then use the mirror command. Then firstly select the object, go to the mirror, go to the mirror entities, then choose the mirror line, click OK, and then exit sketch, then go to the extrude, change the direction and select it as 6 mm. Then our next step is to draw the rib at the bottom of the top object. Firstly select the plane from the reference geometry and then go to the plane and give the dimensions to the plane, so 67.50. select the plane tool and press sketch, then draw a rib. So we need a tangent rib. There is no dimensions for the rib, so let me choose the line command, then select the objects. Then the taper line is tangent to the topper circle of the object, so we just draw the line, and remaining portion we can trim the remaining portion. So let's select the arc lines and convert entities, then trim the remaining objects, that is remaining lines and uncrossed lines. Then our rib is ready, so exit sketch, go to the features, extrude, and select the thickness, that is okay 6 mm, and press ok. Then our main object is ready, so now move to the holes, then select the topper plane on which the hole lies. So let's sketch. What is the position of holes? 20 from the center. Okay, let's see on drawing. So let's select the circle, draw the circle firstly, then select the smart dimensions, give the dimension from the at the end point. Okay, I'll take it as 15, and from the other side I'll take it as 20. Okay, this is also like a pattern, so we just give me diameter is 12. So let's go to the linear pattern, then select the sketch, select the directions, then I'll take it as 50 as per our drawing. Choose the another direction, this is 105, then choose the y direction. Firstly we need to choose the directions. Okay, 105, change the direction of the object. Okay, our hole is ready, then exit sketch, give the smart dimension to constrain the object. Okay, then give the another side dimension, then horizontal command, select the 2 points and select the horizontal. Then our object is fully constrained, then exit sketch, go to the extrude cut and select through all, click OK. This is our sketch and our drawing is completed.